Well, there's two schools of thought, the avalanche method and you've got the snowball method. And they both approach debt differently. So the avalanche method is going to be attacking high interest debt first, right? So whatever the highest interest rate on any of your debt is, that's the one that you're going to go after first. And you're going to pay that off. And then as you pay that off, you will take that payment and apply it to the next highest interest rate and so on and so forth until you pay it off. On the flip side, the snowball method goes after the smallest debt altogether. It doesn't prioritize interest rate. It prioritizes paying off the smallest debt first and then applying that payment to the next smallest debt and so on and so forth. So they work differently. The snowball method is going to be the more psychologically satisfying because you are getting rid of these debt accounts. You're getting rid of these credit cards or auto loans or whatever it is. You're getting rid of those a lot quicker. So it feels a lot better. And there is something to be said about how you feel as you're paying off your debt versus your high interest debt could very well be your largest debt. And paying that off will take a lot of time. It's going to be the more logical choice in terms of dollars saved. But in my experience, most people like the snowball method because it makes them feel good. And 80% of finance is behavioral. So it is important to take that into consideration. You have to understand how much money is coming in and how much is going out so that you understand how much you have to work with. So understanding what your budget allows will help you to pick one of these two and then help you pay off that debt in a manageable way.